page for Safety Seek is the dashboard for the entire organization. Here you can see we've got a couple an induction due, some accidents to investigate, there's places to store your videos, web links, etc. It tells me that there are some hazards that are due, some contractor inductions. This is an area we're working on at the moment, and we're up to date with evacuations, and there are a couple of tasks to have a look at. I thought I'd split this section into three. We'll move down to accidents and reporting, and then we might split the rest up and have a look at those in a separate video. So all organisations need a way of listing all of the employees. So here they all are. They're assigned to different areas of the school, and we have an induction process built in. So here is one staff member waiting to be inducted, and if we click on the tick, you can see a list of things that we need to run through with that employee as part of the induction process. Contractors, exactly the same. Contractors need to be inducted. So if we have a look at our list of outdoor contractors, you can see most of them have been approved. These yellow ones, some aspect of their documentation has expired and they need to log in and update. I'll talk about that in Trip Planner a little bit later. Similarly, we've got some inductions that are due for our contractors, and the system keeps track of all of that. One nice aspect about it is that if a piece of documentation does expire, they get an email from the program automatically. You don't have to keep track of all of that stuff. When the contractor sends their pre-approval information, here's one that you can see that has been recently sent, and if we have a look at that, we can see the information that they have sent, and these are all clickable, and as any one of those things expire, the program keeps track of it and lets them know to update it. Moving down the list, the program keeps track and details of any evacuations. We can add a new evacuation here, or we can view evacuations by clicking on the link. You can get an idea of how the evacuation went and any issues that were realized. Accidents is an area which I used to do in Excel. This now keeps us our accidents. I can split it up by area. I can split it up and have a look at PE and so on. The process for investigating an accident is a two-part process. So person one reports the accident, and person two then reviews or investigates. Two pairs of eyes. So I can view the accident and see the details of it. I can view the investigation and so on. One of the nice aspects is the pattern and trend area. So if I wanted to have a look at patterns for accidents, if I look at PE and we go from the beginning of the year up until today, here's the accidents that have occurred in that area, and I can delve down into those. Pretty useful information for the board. Similarly, we've got an area to record complaints or investigations that may have occurred. The next section we'll move into is looking at hazards.